What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? It's Patrice back at it with another video. In this video, I'm going to be restoring a pair of NMD R2s, and these are complete beaters. I mean, these are destroyed. Jeez. I mean, I don't even know, or I mean, I'm probably gonna have to paint the boost. I'm gonna put these in the washer for sure. I'm gonna have to sew a lot, and especially around the toe box. The toe box on this one is the prime knit on this is pretty much coming off of the toe box. So I'm for sure gonna have to sew that, and I'll probably have to paint the boost. But yeah, there's not really much to this one. It's basically just these things are completely beat. But yeah, I'm gonna pretty much do my best on these. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so in this first step, I'm basically just gonna use my regular wash, which is basically 50% water, 25% Dawn, and 25% just regular hand soap. So hopefully this should get just the surface dirt off of the boost and off of the prime knit. So yeah. Oh, also sorry for the background noise. There's a bus outside, and then also it's gonna be like stupid windy because there's a storm coming. So sorry in advance. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I just took these out of the washer, and then they look pretty nice. The prime knit is basically perfect. Yeah, the prime knit's fine on these. It's just the boost I have to take care of. What I'm probably gonna do is get some soy sauce and put it all over the boost. And yeah, I'll probably do that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna use some black thread and needle, and I'm going to sew the toe box prime knit back together as well as I can. So yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished sewing up the toe box and also putting some soy sauce on the boost. I just made some soy sauce out of 1 tablespoon of White Bright, which is basically OxyClean, and then I used a little less than a cup of cornstarch, and then half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, and then I mix it in a cup, and then I put it on the boost. So yeah, so right now they're just laying on this table in the sun, and I'm probably gonna have these out for about an hour. And yeah, the sewing on the toe box went pretty well. There are still some spots that I can't really fix. There's just this little hole right here. It's kind of hard to see, but there's just a little hole right there that I can't seem to fix, and I'm probably just gonna have to leave it. But yeah, after the soy sauce, I'm pretty much done with these. Okay guys, so I just finished the last layer of the whitening process, but now I just put some Angelus Fulbright that I just got on the midsoles. So yeah, this should make them a lot whiter than what the homemade stuff did, but even then the homemade stuff did actually a pretty good job. So yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is the finished product. Just finished these two. I overall had to put these through about 4 or 5 sessions of whitening for the boost, and it didn't turn out perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than it was before. Yeah, it's a lot better than it was beforehand, but it's definitely not perfect. I'll probably do more like whitening sessions on the boost, but for now this should do. So yeah, the prime knit actually turned out super nice. It looks brand new. This is the shoe that I had to sew the toe box right around here. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, I sewed that up, and then a little bit over here too. Yeah, right there. So yeah, these shoes turned out pretty nice. They're not perfect, but I think they turned out pretty nice. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like and comment, and have a good one.